Hey guys, what is up? This is Bama Girl Amy. This is my DIY baby quilt that I have been working on for baby Houston. This is actually a combined video of month 3 and 4. I do apologize for not having individual videos for the 3rd month and the 4th month, but I just decided to combine them because on the 3rd month we were going through a death in the family and I just really didn't quilt on it, sew on it a whole lot. So here is month 3 and 4. I am actually very excited because I have finally completed it. Let me guys give you a little bit of a close-up. Here is one corner of it, which is flowers. There's the other corner, which is flowers again. Around it you have the little green leaves here, and then up top it says Sweet Baby. And then you've got the beautiful little bassinet. That was actually fun to sew. I figured it would be, a hassle, but it was actually pretty easy. And then around it you have the really pretty flowers and the little butterfly. Down here in this corner we have the teddy bear. And then over here in this other corner we have the little ducky. Wanted to show you guys the finished product. I apologize, I had to do this video on my son's bed. As you can tell over there, there's Mighty Mouse. There's the band pictures. But we are super excited that we got it done. I don't know, some of you ladies are like me, and when you flip it over, you see all the, I guess it's the sewn marks, or, the thread. You see the thread on the back? I don't really like seeing all the string on the back of it. So what I did is I went to Walmart and I got some material, and it's this plush. It's called plush, and it's really, really soft to touch. I know you guys can't see how soft it is, but I sewn a back on it to where you guys couldn't see where it had been sewn. As most guys know, a newborn baby, once they get, of course, a little bit bigger, they're not going to do it when they're first born, but when they get a couple of months old and they start playing with their blankets and they figure out how to pull on things, there's a possibility that the baby could pull out the strings and possibly swallow it. So I did think ahead, and I didn't want him to, pull out the string and actually swallow that, because that would be pretty bad. So that's what I done to the back of it. I do apologize again for not doing a 3-month and a 4-month. I just kind of combined it. But let me step back and let you guys see. Maybe you guys can see everything in full. But there is Houston's DIY, do-it-yourself baby quilt. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Love each and every one of you guys. This is Bama Girl Amy, and I'm out.